I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a tally counter in Islam. To begin, select a counter that feels good in your hand or on your finger. Many people prefer a small, handheld device or one that fits like a ring. Before starting your dehicker, ensure the counter is set to 0. This provides a clear starting point for your remembrance. Then, simply press the button for each repetition of your chosen supplication. When selecting a tally counter, you will find two main types, manual and digital. Manual counters are straightforward, requiring a physical click for each count. Digital versions often feature an LCD screen, offering a clear display and sometimes additional functions like a reset button or even a memory for previous counts. Consider what features best suit your personal practice and comfort. Many find the fingering style particularly convenient for discrete use. To use your tally counter effectively, hold it in a way that feels natural and allows for easy thumb access to the button. As you recite each phrase of your dehicker, press the counter button once. For example, if you are saying Subhanallah 33 times, you will press the button 33 times. Once you complete a set or session, you can easily reset the counter to 0, preparing it for your next spiritual practice. Using a tally counter can significantly enhance your spiritual journey by helping you maintain focus and consistency in your dehicker. It frees your mind from counting, allowing deeper contemplation of the words you are reciting. While the counter helps track numbers, always remember that the sincerity of your heart and the quality of your remembrance are paramount. Aim for a balanced approach, using the tool to support, not replace, your devotion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.